He gets that from you.
What, snoring like a bandsaw?
Yeah. He's a lumberjack and he's okay. Sounds like a deviated septum or something.
He's snoring.